Hello and welcome to this video about using graphing to solve systems of equations. Before I get to any graphing, I just want to talk about how or when to use this method. So this method works really well when you have access to a graph. It also works well when the solutions are integers. In other words, when they're whole numbers that are positive or negative. If they're fractions, the graphing method doesn't work out that well, and I'll highlight that in a minute. But anyways, let's take a look at these two problems we have here. We have y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals negative x minus 6. We can use graphing to figure out the solution. What is a set of xy points or point that will satisfy both of these equations? So I will use the green line to graph y equals 2x plus 3. I'll start off at the intercept, and then I'll use another point to find the slope. And so it's 2, so that means I have to go up 2 over 1. Make sure that's actually on the y-intercept. And so that is the first line. Then I'll graph the other one. So I'll take this point and I'll move it to the y-intercept, which is negative 6. Then using this point right here, I'll use the slope of negative 1, meaning I go up 1 over 1. And there we go. And this is the beauty of graphing. I can click right there. I only have to click, but I will. But I can see that that is the answer. Negative 3, negative 3. And so the solution for this first one here is x equals negative 3 and y equals negative 3. And so that's the beauty of graphing. If you have the tools on hand, it's really easy to come up with a solution here. And just to double check, let's actually now highlight these and see how the green line became red, because that's now actually being graphed, and the blue line is also being graphed there. And again, if we click 3 or negative 3, negative 3. And so we have our solution. Now, let me do one more example, but this time with equations that are not, or where one isn't written in slope-intercept form. So for the first one, let's have it be 1/4 x minus 3. And then the second one here, let's completely mix up the form. Let's go 2x plus y equals 6. We can still graph. So this is no longer the solution. But what we can do is we'll use, the slope-intercept form for this one. So I'll just take this one since it's down here already. Let this be the 1/4 x minus 3. So minus 3. And then I have to go up 1 over 4. All right, good. I've graphed that one. And then 2x plus y is equal to 6. Well, for this one, I'm going to use the table method here, and I'm going to let x equal 0. And when I let x equal 0, essentially, that means y has to be 6. So y equals 6. And then when I let y equal 0, that means that x equals 3, because I'll have 2x equals 6, x equal 3. So the points I have are 0, 6. So let's see here, 0, 6 right there. And then I have 3, 0 right there. Perfect. And look at that. I have a point. Let me move this one around here. So let's go like that. Perfect. And now I have a solution. And the solution here is 4, negative 2. So the answer, x equals 4 and y equals negative 2. And that's how we can use graphing to solve systems of equations. Oh, just to show you, there it is. We'll highlight them, boom, same thing. All right, hopefully this showed you how to do this and you feel a little more confident in being able to use graphing to solve systems. Good luck with homework or practice, and let me know if you have any questions.